Hi guys, this video is not intended to hurt anyone. We are going to drive all our conclusion based on real case studies and examples. Well, did those images resonate with you? If so, that's the intent of branding. Welcome to the third episode of Branded. On social media, there have been conversations about Make in India, Black Lives Matter, equality, inclusion, etc. When brands jump into such topics to place their opinion, it helps them to stand out of the clutter and gain some light, or it can completely backfire. There is nothing in between. So should brands have opinion, or should they just focus on selling the product? Some good example of a brand for doing this correct would be Nike. Since their 1995 campaign of gender equality, where they showed women showing interest to play sports, or their 2018 campaign with Colin Kaepernick, where Colin Kaepernick with other NFL players decided to kneel down even during the national anthem, trying to represent their protest against police brutality. Nike decided to launch their 30th anniversary campaign with Colin, trying to represent what is right. The campaign received mixed reviews. There were people who went out and burned Nikes. So there were even people who went the extra mile to buy only Nike, trying to show their support for what's right. दूसरा अच्छा example होगा Burger King का in 2014, where they tried to show support for Pride movement when they released their Proud Whopper. लोगों ने buy किया thinking कि इसके अंदर क्या होगा, what is different in this Whopper, so that's why they bought it. But actually when you open it and you eat it, from the cover, when you open the cover said, "We all are same inside," trying to give the message that we all are literally same inside. So this also received a lot of engagement and eyeballs. So तीसरा अच्छा example होगा Hero Cycles का. They were going to invest 900 crores in China. Now they are going to invest in India. उन लोग ने इसके बारे में कोई कैंपेन तो नहीं किया, बट इफ दे डू सम मेक इन इंडिया कैंपेन, आई एम गोइंग टू बिलीव इट एंड आई एम गोइंग टू सपोर्ट इट, बिकॉज आई कैन सी कि उन्होंने वो डायरेक्शन में कुछ वर्क भी किया है. सो इट मेक्स सेंस फॉर देम टू प्रमोट दैट आइडिया एज वेल. अब बात करते हैं बैकफायर की. सो रिसेंटली पेप्सी की एक कैंपेन थी जिसमें केंडल जेनर को दिखाया है, एक प्रोटेस्ट चल रहा है, वो आती है, पेप्सी का कैन देती है पुलिस को एंड सारी चीज़ें रिजॉल्व हो जाती है. सो जिस पे पीपल टुक इट टू ट्विटर सेइंग कि यार तुम एक सीरियस मूवमेंट का मजाक उड़ा रहे हो, सेइंग कि हाँ पेप्सी दे दिया तो सॉल्व हो जाएगा. दूसरा एग्जाम्पल होगा मैकडोनल्ड्स का. मैकडोनल्ड्स ब्राज़ील ने अभी रिसेंटली क्या किया था, उनके सारे सोशल मीडिया जो लोगोज रहते हैं वो चेंज कर दिए थे. जो एम है उनका, जो आर्क है, वो आर्क को ऐसे सेपरेट कर दिया था, ट्राइंग टू शो कि ओ वी रिप्रेजेंट सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग. बट वो चीज़ भी बैकफायर हुई बिकॉज पीपल वर लाइक कि यार तुम अभी भी 24/7 चीज़ें ओपन रख रहे हो, लोगों को फिर भी बुला रहे हो. सो टेक्निकली सिर्फ लोगो चेंज करने से डजंट मीन यू आर सपोर्टिंग इट. So they also received mixed reaction and later on they changed it to the original logo. So if you're willing to talk about these topics, people are more willing to be committed to your brand. But at the same time, agar you're just trying to do this to fit in or just joining the bandwagon, eventually people will see it through. We as people on social media need to create more tolerant social media जहाँ पे कोई movement हो रहा है and for some reason the brand does not want to comment on it. It doesn't mean कि वो उनको oppose करे. It just means कि शायद ये उनके brand tonality के साथ नहीं जा रहा या फिर इनके future vision के साथ align नहीं है. At the same time, I think personally, I respect the brands which not only have great creative campaigns but at the same time have impact as well, because best brands are the ones which can do both. So what do you think? Should brands have opinion?